BODMAS is basically an abbreviation for brackets, okay, of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, basically it's a sequence, okay, जो follow करना होता है हमें whenever we are having different operators in the same question. Okay, जैसे कि they will give you a question where they will say कि suppose division is replaced by triangle, suppose multiplication is replaced by circle, suppose addition is replaced by dollar, and subtraction is replaced by question mark. Then find the value of 7 triangle 6 dollar 11 question mark 1 circle 5. Okay, so it's a slight complication as compared to what we're seeing right now, but the basic concept will remain the same. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we'll replace every symbol by its corresponding BODMAS equivalent and then we'll solve the question. Okay, so BODMAS will tell you exactly क्या करना है हमें. We'll understand BODMAS with the help of an example. Okay, 125 divided by 28 minus 3 plus 5 into 10 minus 9 divided by 1 by 9 of 18. Now first of all we deal with brackets. अब brackets में भी क्या होता है guys, significance वैसे होता है कि what exactly are you using in the brackets. Okay, brackets में भी as I told in the previous slide, okay, the square brackets, the curly brackets and the round brackets, ये significance होता है. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या solve करते हैं, square brackets, then we solve the curly brackets, then we solve the round brackets. Okay, now between the curly brackets and round brackets पहले हम ये part solve करेंगे. So in this part we'll basically replace this entire thing by 10 minus 9, which is 1. So now your question is 125 divided by 28 minus 3 plus 5 into this divide by 1 by 9 of 18. Okay, again one more bracket is remaining guys, this 28 minus 3. तो अब हम next वो solve करेंगे. So the question is 125 divided by 28 minus 3 is 25 guys, plus 5 into 1 divided by 1 by 9th of 80. Okay, so now guys the next step is brackets खत्म हो गया, अब हमें off solve करना है. इसके बाद देखिए off part पहले ये आएगा 1 by 9th of 18. Okay, so write all the remaining parts as such without any change. 1 by 9th of 18. So off का मतलब इसकी multiplication ही होता है, 2/5 off, 30% off, as simple as that. So 1 by 9th of 18 basically will be equal to 2. Okay, next step is guys we divide. So 125 divided by 25 is 5. Okay, plus 5 into 1 divide by 2. Okay, division भी हम लोग left to right जाएंगे पहले. ठीक है, पहले left वाला solve करेंगे फिर right वाला. Next step is 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5. So it is as good as 5 plus 5 into 0.5. अब देखो next step is multiplication. 5 into 0.5 is 2.5. Your final answer will be 7.5.